नमस्कार दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पर। आज हम लोग इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड थ्योरीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे एंड इससे पहले कि हम स्टार्ट करें मैं चाहता हूं आप 10 सेकंड लें और अटेंडेंस दे दें लाइक का बटन दबाकर। और आज का क्लास जो होने वाला है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत फोकस रहिएगा, बहुत ज़बरदस्त क्लास होगा और ये उन लोगों के लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होने वाला है आज का क्लास जो बीकॉम, एमकॉम या फिर नेट सेट का एग्जाम देने बैठ रहे हैं। ठीक है, क्योंकि हम लोग इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड थ्योरीज कर रहे हैं जो कि इन स्ट्रीम्स में जो कोर्सेज कराए जाते हैं जैसे एमकॉम हो गया, बीकॉम हो गया, नेट सेट का एग्जाम हो गया, इसमें बहुत वाइटल इसका सिग्निफिकेंस रहता है। काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। ज़्यादा बड़ा वीडियो नहीं होने वाला है, छोटा सा वीडियो होने वाला है। हम लोग सारे ट्रेड थ्योरीज को एक बार डिस्कस करेंगे अच्छे से इन डेप्थ में। थोड़ा सा फास्ट पेस चलेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो नहीं चलूंगा मैं, ठीक है, वरना आपका फोकस ब्रेक हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। Alright, now let's move on to the next topic. The topic is Heckscher-Ohlin theory. Right? This theory was given by Swedish economist Elie Heckscher and his student Bertil Ohlin. Right? This theory is also known as 2 into 2 into 2 theory. So, why is it called the 2 into 2 into 2 theory? We'll understand while studying the assumptions. Right? For now, we'll focus on what the theory is saying. So, the theory suggests that a country must produce that commodity which uses factor of production available in abundance, right? Abundance being which is available in plenty, right? So we'll try to understand this theory with the help of the example here. So let us suppose that there are two countries, country X and country Y, and country X is a capital intensive country, while country Y is a labor intensive country, which means that capital to labor ratio of country X will be higher than the capital to labor ratio of Y. Therefore, the cost of capital is lower for country X as compared to country Y, and the cost of labor is lower for country Y as compared to country X, right? Alright, so again I have drawn this table which is a further extension of this example and will help to understand this concept in a different manner, right? So again, two countries, country X and country Y, capital intensive, labor intensive, right? So capital to labor ratio of country X is greater than the capital to labor ratio of country Y, and since it is so the cost of capital to cost of labor ratio is lower as compared to the cost of capital to cost of labor ratio of country Y, right? So country X is more likely to export capital intensive goods, whereas country Y is more likely to export the labor intensive goods, right? Hope you have understood this concept here. Now we are going to move on to the assumptions of this theory. So the first assumption is two commodities. So there will be two commodities involved. Two countries, the trade will be conducted between two countries. So we have assumed two countries. Then third assumption is there are two factors of production, which is labor and capital. So now you can relate why this theory is also known as 2 into 2 into 2 theory, because there are two commodities, two countries and two factors of production, labor and capital. So fourth assumption is prices are constant. Now why are the prices constant? The prices are constant because there is no transportation cost. So there is no extra cost to be borne by the producers. Next assumption is free trade. Alright, there is no restriction. And next assumption is technology is constant. There is no fluctuation in technology. Technology will remain same throughout. Alright, and the final assumption is similar tastes and preferences. So hope you have understood this topic with the help of this example, and that will be all for this topic. तो दोस्तों आज के वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको समझ में आया होगा, और वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जो एमकॉम, बीकॉम या नेट सेट एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। और आज के क्लास से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में सवाल पूछिए, ठीक है। जहां तक हो सकेगा मैं उन डाउट्स को एड्रेस करने का कोशिश करूंगा। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।